Hello smart people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to level up your life and gain the respect you deserve, you're in the right place. Today, we've got 5 insightful ways to help you earn more respect in both your personal and professional life. So, let's dive in. 1. Cultivate self-respect. The first step to gaining respect from others is to cultivate self-respect. Know your strengths and weaknesses, set realistic goals, and prioritize self-care. When you respect yourself, others are more likely to follow suit. 2. Communicate effectively. Communication is key in any relationship. Speak clearly, listen actively, and be assertive without being aggressive. People respect those who can express themselves articulately and thoughtfully. Remember, it's not just about what you say but how you say it. 3. Demonstrate integrity. Integrity is the cornerstone of respect. Always be honest, admit your mistakes, and take responsibility for your actions. Consistently demonstrating integrity builds trust, and trust is a fundamental element in earning respect from others. 4. Show empathy. Empathy is a powerful tool for gaining respect. Take the time to understand others' perspectives, acknowledge their feelings, and show genuine compassion. People appreciate those who can connect on an emotional level and demonstrate understanding. 5. Be reliable and consistent. Reliability and consistency are crucial for earning respect. If you say you'll do something, follow through. Consistent behavior builds trust and reliability, making others confident in your abilities and character. And there you have it, smart people, 5 effective ways to earn more respect in your life. Remember, respect is a two-way street. By cultivating self-respect, communicating effectively, demonstrating integrity, showing empathy, and being reliable and consistent, you'll find yourself surrounded by a circle of respect. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay smart, and until next time.